What it do, gang? It's your boy Two-Time Motor TV, and we're back with another video, gang. Today we had an issue with the 2011 Mercedes-Benz E63 AMG. It was throwing the code ESC inoperable, C owner's manual, as you guys can see up on the screen above. Take a look at that. That means electronic stability control. It throws the car in limp mode whenever you step on the gas and you try to get down the road. So I found a remedy, I found a fix for that. Easy, quick fix. Gang, check this video out if y'all are interested, or if y'all car is doing the same thing, make sure y'all check this video out. If y'all car is losing power and going in limp mode every time you step on the gas, this is the video to see. Let's get started. Alright, gang, so I got this from FCP Euro, and it came with the whole pedal setup along with the sensor. Exactly what I needed, because my car was going into limp mode every time I got up on the gas. Alright, gang, so what you want to do, you want to grab a 14mm socket, and you want to get up on top of the tube that's here, and you just start wrenching away. I already got the bottom one loose. Alright, guys, so what y'all want to do, y'all want to stick a flathead in the little clip, and y'all will see it. It'll be right there at the very bottom. Just stick a flathead in the clip and pry it loose, and then it'll come away from your pedal, and then you just take the old pedal out. This is the sensor that is bad here, and it's in the whole pedal assembly. 140 bucks, guys. 140 bucks got me a whole nother pedal, so y'all check that out. Alright, guys, got the brand new pedal. So the only thing you do is reverse order. You can see the two nuts right here. The only thing you do is plug this one back up to the existing wiring harness, and everything should work gorgeous. So this is it with the new pedal inside. Now let's take her down the road and see how she at. Alright, gang, so with the new pedal installed, I got a car right behind me. Let me go ahead and smack it. All the way to the floor, went all the way to 70. Oh yeah, man, she doing what she's supposed to do. Alright, guys, so this is the old pedal. New pedals in. I was able to put the car up in Sport Plus, which I wasn't able to do before, and smacked it heck of times going down the road, and never had it to go up in limp mode, never lost the power. The car wasn't bucking when it was stopped. You know how it goes with the pedal sensor going out, like the car feel like it's bucking just at a dead standstill. Didn't have that going on, man. Everything works well. I would greatly recommend this pedal from this vendor. So if y'all guys want to have your car working right, I don't have a check engine light on anymore or anything, man. So if y'all guys definitely want y'all car working right, then make sure that y'all cop this pedal. It definitely worked for me. So thank y'all for watching. Two-Time Motor TV out, and until next time, peace.